Hello and welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to send personalized emails automatically using Gmail to Google Form leads. So here my objective is whenever any new form submission can be done through my Google Form, then automatically one follow-up personalized mail will be sent to my user's Gmail account. And this will only possible with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let's go to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So this is right over here is the automation that we are going to do in this video, where we can connect our Google form to the Gmail, as whenever any new form submission can be done through your Google form, then automatically one personalized mail will be sent to your user's Gmail account without you doing any manual efforts. Yes, but before moving forward, now I'll give you a quick overview of how this automation will work and how this automation will used in real time. For that, I am going to fill this form that I have already created before, where I am going to enter all the test details in this field. Here at first I am giving my full name as a test user, then the email address I am providing as pateam@pabblytudes.com. After that I am entering one test contact number, then the company name I provide as Pabbly. After that I am going to simply click on the submit button. Here you can see my form is submitted successfully. Now I am going to check my Gmail account that I have received a mail or not. See, I am refreshing this. See, I have received a new mail 0 minutes ago, which includes my name in the subject, that is the test user that I have shared while filling the form, and also includes the details in mail. Here I have done this as a test example. You can modify your mail completely based on your requirements and choices. Now, if you want to do this type of automation that whenever any new form submission can be done through your Google form, then automatically one personalized mail will be sent to your user's Gmail account without you doing any manual efforts, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. So here you are on the official page of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that helps you to automate and integrate multiple applications without requiring any coding or programming skills. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly Community. So this is right over here is Pabbly Community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. If you face any issue while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here, and the people who are facing similar problems just like you, or even the Pabbly team members, will help you out. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up free. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free tasks to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on the sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users, as we are doing the integration of application, and that will only possible with the help of Pabbly Connect. So I am going in this Pabbly Connect box by clicking access now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place, where you can see your task allotted, your task consumed, your task remaining and the free task consumed. And in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to write the folder name in this field and also select the parent folder from here. Now as we are creating a new workflow, so I am going to click on this plus create workflow button. When you click on it, it will ask you to select the workflow builder, while providing you two, that is new beta and the classic version. It is a modern, faster and more flexible, while the another one is for stable and familiar approach. Here I am creating this workflow with the help of this new beta version, so I am selecting this. Then you can see it will ask you to provide the workflow name, so I am providing the workflow name as send personalized bulk emails automatically using Gmail for Google Form leads. After that, the folder I select as Pabbly Connect. After that, I am going to click on this create button. Here you can see our workflow is created successfully. Now this is right over here is the most important step of doing any automation, that is trigger. Trigger says when this happens, where at first you have to select your trigger application. For that you have to simply click on this plus and search your trigger application. Here I am searching my trigger application as Google Form. Here I selected. After that, the app event I am going to select as new response received. After that, you have to simply click on this connect button. Then you can see it will provide you one webhook URL that you have to copy from here. Also mentions all the steps that how you can connect your Pabbly Connect to your Google form. Now for connecting my Google form account to my Pabbly Connect, I am going to my Google form account. So see, here I have already created one form which includes the fields that I have provided as full name, email, contact number and company, and the heading as get your personalized guide and offers from Brightnest. Now for connecting this Google form to Pabbly Connect, I am going to simply click on this responses option where I am going to click on this view in sheets option. So here you can see this is my Google sheet. Now for connecting your Google form to Pabbly Connect, you have to simply click on this extensions option where you have to click on this Pabbly Connect webhooks. Here I am going to do a new setup, so I am clicking on this initial setup button. Then you can see it will provide you one field where you have to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from your Pabbly Connect. So here I am pasting it. Here I paste it. After that, you have to write the trigger column in this field. The trigger columns will be your final data column on which if the data is added. Here my final data column is the E, so I am entering E here. After that, I am going to simply click on the submit button. Here you can see the setup is configured successfully. Now I am going to tell you one most important step. You have to make sure that this send on events will active. If you don't enable this, then the leads of your user will not be sent to the Pabbly Connect. So I am enabling this also. Now here you can see it is waiting for a webhook response. So for getting this webhook response, you have to again fill the form. So I am just copying this form link from here and opening this in a new tab. See, now I am again entering some details in this form. That is the name I am going to write as dummy user. After that, the email address I write as dummyuser@pabblytudes.com. Then I am providing one test contact number. After that, the company name I share as Pabbly. After that, I am going to simply click on this submit button. Here you can see the form is submitted. Now I am going to my sheet. Here on the back you can see a new row is added into my sheet. Now I am going to simply click on the send test button. Here you have see the positive response, that is the test data sent successfully. Now we will check our workflow that we have received the response or not. See, we have received a new response 4 seconds ago. That means our Google form is successfully connected to our Pabbly Connect. Now the setup of our trigger application is done. After that, I am going to take my action application as Gmail. For that, I am going to simply click on this plus option and searching the app as Gmail. Here I selected. After that, the app event I select as send email. After that, I am going to click on this connect button. Here you can see it will provide you two options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. If you have an existing connection, then you can click on the select existing connection button. Here I am going to do a new connection, so I am clicking on this add new connection button. After that, I am clicking on the sign in with Google option. You can see it will ask me for the permission, so I am permitting it by clicking on this continue button. See, my Gmail account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. After that, you have to write the sender name in the sender name field that I am going to write as Brightnest Home Decor. After that, the next one is the sender email address. As soon as I have connected my Gmail account to my Pabbly Connect, it will automatically select the sender email address in this field. You can also enable this toggle if you don't want to do the mapping manually. This will help you to do the mapping automatically. After that, the next one is the recipient email address, where I am going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from my previous application, that is the Google form. For that, I am simply clicking on it and searching the email address. Here I selected. Mapping is the most important step of doing any automation as it makes data dynamic. As different users have different data, so for capturing their data dynamically, mapping is used. Now, when my users share their email address while filling the form, then with the help of this mapping, automatically my bot will send the mail to their specific Gmail account. After that, the CC, BCC and reply to are not a required field, so I am leaving this blank and directly entering the email subject in this email subject field. That is thanks for reaching out. Now after this, I want my username in this place. For that, I am again doing the mapping of the response that I have received from my previous application, that is my username. Here I am searching it. After that, here I selected. Now with the help of this mapping, in this place my username will come. After that, you have to write the email content in this email content field that I am going to write as. Here I write. After that, you have to select the email content type. It will provide you two two types, that is plain and HTML. I write this email content in the HTML format, so I am selecting this. You can also create your HTML content by clicking on this here below. Here it is also mentioned a complete tutorial of how you can create your HTML email. After that, you have to select the labels from here that I am going to select as inbox. Then in the next, if you want to attach any file with your mail, then you can write the file names in this field. Also attach the URL here. After that, the next one is the simple response button. You can enable this toggle for getting the response in the simple format. After that, you have to simply click on the save and send test request button. Here you can see we have got the positive response. Now we will check our Gmail account that we have received the test mail or not. Here I am refreshing it. I have received a new mail 0 minutes ago, which includes all the content that I have written in the email content field. Also in the subject, it will mention my name that I have shared as dummy user. So now I think you will better understand how it will work. I have created this mail as a test example. Now the creation of our workflow is completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will become disabled and it will not work. If you face any difficulties on the creation of this workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I also provide the link of this workflow in the description box. You can check out. You can also share this workflow with your friends. For sharing this flow, you have to click on this three dots and click on this share option. Here it will provide you one share link that you have to copy from here and share this link with anyone. With the help of this automation, whenever any new form submission can be done through your Google form, then automatically one personalized mail will be sent to your user's Gmail account, which includes their details, that is their name, and all the email content that you have written in the email content field without you doing any manual efforts. And this will only possible with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.